solving polynomial word problems using polynomial operations. Here's an example. In a field, there are two types of crops planted. What is the area of the beet field, and what is the total area of both fields? So this section right here represents just the beets, but we remember that we want to have our area formula. So we know that area is equal to length times width. And for the area of the beets, area of just the beet field, that is going to be equal to our width right here, which is 4. And we're going to multiply that by the polynomial that represents the length, which is a squared minus 3a plus 2. And when we do this operation, all we have to do is distribute the 4 to each term of the trinomial here. So area of the beets is equal to 4 times a squared is 4a squared. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12a. And 4 times 2 becomes 8. So that answered the first question, what is the area of the beet field? And the next question says, what is the total area of both fields? And for this one, we need that polynomial right there. So what is the area total? Again, that's length times width. So our length is represented by that polynomial, and our width is represented by that. I just like to write the smaller polynomial in front. So 3a, that's a monomial, where's one term, and then we have a trinomial, which is 2a squared plus 4a minus 5, and then we're going to distribute the first polynomial into the other, actually this is a monomial, into the trinomial there. So area total is equal to 3 times 2 is 6, and a to the first power times a squared becomes a to the third. 3a times 4a, 3 times 4 is positive 12, and a times a is a squared. And 3a times negative 5, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, and then we just write down the a. So we have the polynomial that represents the total area, and then we have the polynomial that represents just the area of the beets.